Okay, hello secretaries. This is what I'm going to go through. A quick revision. For chapter 2, there's this question on the last part that we did not cover today was on how to solve problems using algebra. This is a typical exam question. All these questions are taken from your textbook. The figure shows an ancient coin which was once used in China. The coin is shaped in a circle with a square of side x, removed from the center. The area of each face of the coin is 7 pi. So you need to form an equation. So what you need to do is try and form an equation. So take the area of the circle minus the area of the square. That should be equals to 7 pi. So let me try and do the area of circle is equals to pi 3 square. So this is 9 pi. The area of the square is equals to x square. So we know that 9 pi minus x square must be equal to 7 pi. And then let's rearrange this. Let me just rearrange this. So what you have is 2 pi minus x square equals to 0 shown. Okay, the first part is done. Then they ask you to solve this. Okay, you can use quadratic formula or you can just simply solve. For example, negative x square is equals to negative 2 pi. X square is 2 pi. And then x is square root of 2 pi. You know x is length, so it cannot be negative, so you just take a positive, find the value with 3SF. 5SF first, followed by 3SF, and then you will get the answer. And the last one, find the perimeter of the square. Once you know this value of x, you can find the perimeter of the square. Okay? So this is an example of a problem sum. I'm going to go to chapter 3 right now, a quick revision, chapter 3. The first part is on using indices. So when you have a question like this that divide, okay, my advice is change it to times. So you have g square over h cubed to the power of 6 times 2h square over minus 3g to the power of 5 to the power of 3. Now the power of 6 applies to everything. So it's g to the power of 12 over h to the power of 18 times 2 to the power of 3 h to the power of 6 minus 3 to the power of 3 and g to the power of 15. So let's look at the number itself. The number itself, we will get 8 minus 27. And we have g to the power of 12, h to the power of 6, h to the power of 18, and g to the power of 15. If you simplify, you'll get g to the power of 3 below and h to the power of 12. Leave it in positive index notation. So this is a quick example. I'm going to show you another example. This question says simplify each of the following, expressing your answer